So this Skip Hop diaper bag is pretty awesome. I bought it about 8 years ago. I have been using it with my 3 children and it still survives. So let me show you how many things can it fit. This is inside. It's pretty big. You have even right here for your cell phone or a Kindle. You have this other one. I use this one for the bottles and for the feeding. And you have this little one, just in case you need even more space. And it can go either on your back or you can put it in the stroller through these clips. Let me show you. Pretty good. Let's see how many things can fit in here. Here it goes. Here you have it.